The first step when making macaroni and cheese is preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then get ready to prepare your macaroni and cheese, but be careful not to overcook it in the process. Once you're all done preparing the macaroni and cheese, then add your salt, pepper, butter, and your 3 beaten eggs. And don't forget to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese to your pasta mix. After that, then add half of the macaroni to the baking dish. Then sprinkle another 2 cups of cobbler cheddar cheese, blend in the middle of your pasta, and top with another layer of macaroni and cheese. The last ingredient in your macaroni and cheese is pouring the milk over the pasta. The last step when making macaroni and cheese is putting it in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes.